Let's start off on the important features and the cool but okay features. The first one can be located in your settings and go and scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Enter your pin code credential and scroll down, and where you see stolen device protection, go ahead and turn this on. With this new setting enabled, even though somebody knows your passcode to unlock your iPhone, they'll still need your face to either remove your passcode or change other important things like the Find My capability on your device. So because of this, I highly recommend enabling this. Now, with iOS 17.3 makes traveling at hotels that have an Apple TV even better. With AirPlay support for the first time, now you can just simply scan a QR code off the display and you'll be able to play content right away from your Apple device. Now, if we backtrack a bit more, in general, Apple Care and warranty, you're able to not only see coverage from your current device, but also your other Apple devices under your Apple ID. Now, if you use Apple Music, Collaborate Playlist is now officially available. Simply start by launching the Music app on your iPhone. And if we go ahead and check out an existing playlist like this one, you will now see this new icon on top that will allow people to join your playlist. You can just start a collaboration by hitting continue, and you'll soon be able to send an invite to somebody and select the person to contact you want to have access to their playlist to do this collaboration with. Hit send, and in no time they should receive a notification on their end, and then all they have to do is just accept by hitting join playlist, and just like that, they're in. And if they like to add stuff to this playlist, it's the same exact method you'll typically do to add stuff in your own playlist. Really basic, pretty neat. It'll even show you the action right at the bottom here. And for the new tracks that people have added in your community tab, there's this emoji section that allows you to interact with it. So allow others to at least see that you're enjoying it, because when you click on it, it'll highlight who reacted to what emoji and who reacted to something not pleasant. And if you like to remove people from the playlist, just tap on the icon above here and just hit slide to remove, or just stop it all entirely. As well as adjust the approval collaboration requirement. You could turn it on or off. So when it's off, anybody can join, but when it's on, you have to manually approve them in. You can also bring up a QR code or a share invitation link to other devices. But let's have some fun. So I'm going to go back, create a playlist. I'm going to call it the YouTube playlist of Hotshot Tech. Going to create a custom artwork, cover art for this playlist. I'm going to hit create. I'm going to start this collaboration. I'm going to add some tracks in a bit, give you this QR code, scan this, and you'll automatically join this playlist. I want to see what would happen. I'm going to start adding some songs here in a bit, but you guys are free to also add some songs. It could be anything funny, odd. I'm a Barbie girl. Go nuts. I'm curious what the community wants to share. Now, the other new feature can be found in your camera app. Whenever you launch the camera app, on some iPhones, for some reason this iPhone is not showing, but on my iPhone 15 Pro, there is an Apple Vision icon, which allows you to create 3D videos for the Apple Vision itself. That's what this icon here is for. Now, lastly, there is a new wallpaper that we now got given. And if we look at it, add a new wallpaper, and you scroll down, it's crazy that these things are not loading. Here it is. We got these new wallpapers to choose from with many different filters, and it does support like that 3D imaging effect. And just like that, that is everything new for iOS 17. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this? And if you enjoyed this quick rapid fire video, make sure to hit that like button to let me know you just enjoy these straightforward videos. Anywho, thanks so much for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.